Hi everyone, I am Miss Tyson and I wanted to just make this video so I could go over a few of the things on the syllabus with you to make it more understandable and kind of just piece through the things that are really important. So the first thing, my email is right here at the top. And what I want you to know is if you ever need to get in touch with me, that is a great way to do it. It comes straight to my phone, and I can get those at all times of the day. We are going to have a textbook. We won't be taking it home or using it as much as other things, but we do have one of those. Also, I have a website. All of the information your child will need to review for their test and also just to review what we've done every day is on this website. So the way this works, you can click on the website or you can just type it in on your phone, anything, um, and it comes up with my website. There is a tab at the top called Course Units, and I go from the start all the way to the finish. So if your child ever needs to review, this is where you will find all the review materials. For instance, we will start with matter, and I have all of the standards, plus I have the things, the videos we watch in class, some of the activities we do in class. So if your child needs to review, this is where they do it. Also, their labs are on here, as well as the activities we do in class. If they miss them, they are all right here. So there should never be an excuse as to why your child does not have review materials. If we don't have them in paper, they are right here. Okay, so this is a description of how we're going to move through the course. We're going to start with matter, states of matter, then we go to atoms in the periodic table, chemical bonds and reactions, solutions, acids, and bases, and then we switch over to the physical science part like nuclear chemistry, force and motion, energy and heat, and waves and electricity. Grading. Your daily assignments will be 20% of your grade. Then your quizzes will be 30 and unit tests will be 50. All of that average together, I'm sorry, I left final exam in here for some reason. All of that added together will be 75% of your total grade. Then you'll have a final exam that'll be 25% of their grade. So we will add up everything else at the very end of the semester. If they have to take the final exam, they will take that, and that'll be 25% of their total average. Otherwise, daily assignments are 20, quizzes are 30, and unit tests are 50. So ignore that 10% that's on the paper copy. Late work. I do, with about 150 students, I can't take work late. So if work is late due to an absence, I'll take it the next day. But if we are in class working on something and the student does not finish their assignment, it is 10 points for each day it's late. I will be posting every day on Google Classroom, so there is no reason why if someone is out, they can't access that. You can access with your phone, with a computer, anything. So if they are absent, I will be posting an assignment that will not be missing it. So please check that. Cell phone policy. This is my biggest rule in my classroom. Things work well when we aren't distracted, and so every student will be required to turn in their cell phone. So parents, please know that if your child has a phone, they will be required to turn it in. If not, the first time they go to lunch detention, and the second time it will be a referral. We have a pocket at the front of the room. They walk in, it matches their desk number. For example, if they sit in desk 1, their cell phone goes in the pocket that's 1. No one touches them during the period, and they get them when they leave. That is just a main rule in my class, so just know that your child will be expected to turn in their cell phone. Last thing, makeup test. During the semester, I will allow one makeup test, just one, and that is only if the child makes below a 70. That way we don't have kids who, if everybody could retake every test, if you made a 90, people would just want to come back in and retake them, and that's not allowed. So we don't allow quiz retakes, but there is one test retake during the semester if they make below a 70. That way at least the student has a chance to make a passing average. Now, supply list. This is really important. It's important that you come to class prepared. We need pens and pencils that you can use for every class. A highlighter. You need at least one highlighter and colored pencils. Some notebook paper. We won't use this a lot, but you do need some notebook paper. You need a 3-ring binder at least 1 inch for this class. And it needs to have 9 dividers in it. We are going to have 9 units. We will put things behind every single unit, so just be sure you have a 3-ring binder with some paper in it and 9 tabs. Now, a calculator is so important for this class, especially when we do the physics part. And if you have math, you're going to need a calculator anyways. And the kind that work best are these. They can be in any form. Just something to where you can see what you're typing. I do have some of the really basic calculators, but they are harder to work with because right here, if you type in your information and realize you can't see it, well, then you can go back and see where you messed up. So it's really important to have a calculator. If you can't get this, anyone is fine. They sell them at the Dollar Tree. Just something to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Last thing, we are working on the Chromebook a good bit, and we will do some things where there's interactive video. And if your child moves ahead, they need to be able to listen to something ahead of time in class. So we need earbuds or headphones that can plug into the computer. Dollar Tree sells them, Dollar General sells them. Your AirPods will work. Anything that can connect via Wi-Fi or with a plug in the computer will work. So that is just a short review of the syllabus, and I'm excited to get started with this year and learn a lot. So I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.